Have you ever imagined swimming in water that shines like a galaxy? In some parts of our ocean, this is real. The sea glows with soft blue light, as if the water is full of tiny stars. At night, waves sparkle, jellyfish pulse with bright colors, and deep-sea creatures shine like floating lanterns. This glow is called bioluminescence, and it is one of nature's most surprising secrets. What makes it even more amazing is that this light appears in places where no sunlight can reach. In the darkest parts of the ocean, life has learned to create its own light. Today, we will explore how this happens, why creatures glow, and what this breathtaking underwater light show tells us about the hidden world beneath the waves. Get ready to discover a part of the ocean that feels more alien than Earth, yet is very real and closer than you think. So how does the ocean glow without electricity or sunlight? The answer lies in a simple chemical reaction happening inside living creatures. Many organisms carry two special chemicals, luciferin and luciferase. When these mix with oxygen, they create light, just like a natural light bulb. This reaction is safe, cool to the touch, and very efficient. Most bioluminescent light appears blue or green because these colors travel far in water. Some animals even have tiny organs like built-in flashlights that control when the light turns on or off, while glowing bacteria make simple, steady light. More complex animals create flashes, patterns, or even waves of color. This incredible ability has evolved again and again across the ocean, proving how important light is in a world with no sun. What seems magical is actually clever science, perfected by nature over millions of years. Now let's meet the living artists behind the glow. Deep in the black waters, the anglerfish uses a glowing lure to attract prey, like a living fishing rod. Jellyfish flash and pulse with colorful rings to startle predators. Tiny plankton called dinoflagellates make waves sparkle when movement disturbs them, turning the shoreline into a glowing blue river. The firefly squid has bright blue lights along its body to communicate with others and hide from predators by matching the light above. Even worms, shrimp, and sharks produce their own glow. In the deep sea, light is more than beauty, it is survival. Animals use it to hunt, to hide, to warn, and even to talk. Each species has a unique way of using light, creating a world that feels like something from another planet. These glowing creatures remind us how creative life becomes when faced with complete darkness. As magical as it looks, this glowing world is fragile. Human activity affects it more than we think. Light pollution near coastlines can confuse glowing plankton. Pollution and warming waters can harm the delicate ecosystems where bioluminescent species live. But there is hope. Scientists are studying bioluminescence for new discoveries. These glowing chemicals are helping doctors track diseases, study cells, and create safer medical tests. Engineers are exploring whether bioluminescent organisms could inspire eco-friendly lighting in the future. Imagine street lamps powered by nature's glow. Researchers are also using bioluminescent signals to explore the deep sea, where traditional lights scare animals away. As we learn more, we also realize how important it is to protect these underwater wonders before they disappear. The future of bioluminescence may help both science and the planet. The ocean still hides countless glowing mysteries, and many have never been seen by humans. But these wonders need protection. You don't need to be a scientist to help. Supporting ocean-friendly habits, like reducing plastic use, choosing sustainable seafood, and limiting coastal pollution, helps protect habitats where glowing species live. You can also join citizen science projects that track glowing plankton or report unusual light events. Every action, big or small, helps scientists understand and protect this hidden world. The deep ocean is 80% unexplored. Imagine how many glowing creatures are still waiting to be discovered. When you protect the ocean, you protect the light shows that have existed for millions of years. The next time you look at the sea, remember, beneath the waves lies a universe of glowing life, still shining in the darkness, waiting for us to learn its secrets.